So what have I gone and done? I've flooded the mower. I turned it up on its side to check the blade out. I think that was the beginning of it. And this one actually has a fuel shutoff valve. See that little orange valve there? And that was on. You can still see it dripping onto there. And so what do I do now? Well, I've learned a lesson again. I know these things, but I thought the choke was on here. I thought it was way down here. But actually, it's just right, somewhere half in there. You see that? You see the butterfly valve there opening and closing? So I kept having it on choke instead of on run. So now that I know where that is, I'm just going to let it dry out. Now I pulled the plug. I didn't have a special wrench or anything. I managed to just get it off with an adjustable. Now you got to be careful that you don't break the resistor if you do that. So that's what you can be careful. Now looking at it, it's black. It's not wet. I thought it was going to be wet. Okay. Oh, they say not to do this. People do. Some experts say don't clean your spark plugs with the wire brush. But if a wire brush is what you got, unless you've got something better, I just cleaned it up. And I make sure to try and clean the threads good so there's a good connection there. And then just get that baby back in there. Where is it? Down there. And then, oh, I think this little stubby adjustable. It was see that slip? Did you see that slip? I could have easily broken that insulator. Okay, it's gonna be good enough. Now what's really bugging me right now is this thing is dripping from up here on this corner down to here. Now that's above the fuel system. It looks like the tank is leaking. Maybe I put too much fuel in the tank. That's dripping down there. Now, I don't know if that can't be good, can it? So, I'm thinking the thing is run some fuel out of it. Just be ready with the fire extinguisher or something. Now, I just want to get her started now, so I'm going to try. I'm going to leave it off choke. I probably should have pulled the pull cord with the plug out a couple of times, but I didn't. Ooh, head rush. Blood going to my head. Now, when you pull on one of these things, pull it, but not all the way out till you're hitting the end. Just you're stroking right there. You're not pulling out until it hits the end of the stop. Nothing's sounding very good there. I usually say one choke. Okay, so I gotta wipe this down, some of that excess fuel off there, and put the filter in, and then just start going for it. Hopefully it won't catch on fire until it runs low on fuel. That would have been nice to hit that in the garden there, wouldn't it? Oh, here's the yard. Swimming pool up there. Pretty rough ground here. Over here. It's a Harrier. Got a big wheel on the back of it. Clutch like that up there. So that's what we're gonna do. Talk to you later.